Barangay Ortil. Kung kailan may baterya, walang music. Ilayo mo konti, pre. Ilayo mo konti. Music natin para maganda. Music.
Ano ba dito? Ayan tayo lalim. Wala na ba yung ipon dyan? Wala na. Yung maliit. Ayan na yung blue.
Okay.
Hawakan mo, hawakan mo! Oh, ito.
Galita lang ni Boss Marlon. Grogi naman ito. Stop right. Doon tao. Doon tao.
Nakasya kaya sa iyo.
Try mo lang. Patry mo lang yan.
Kung may isun din na.
Kung idea mo yung the tanks.
Kaysa gagamitin mo.
Breakfast. Pasto Samyo for 3. No.
Langanin sa kanya, pre.
So inagano na 21. Na 21 siya. Number 8 good for 2. I'll go by Efren. Efren drive the ball. Efren drive the ball. That's our idol, the manager of Kabudel. Pass to Marlon. No. So ano masasabi mo sa laro, bro? Pre?
Pre, sarap. Enjoy lang, enjoy.
Hoy, loose ball. Score is 2-3 in favor of Kabudel.
Shoot mo. Shoot ko pa ba?
Ay, 2-8.
Parang tatalunin ng mga Roma, mga So din si Pastor. Pwede naman yan daw sa hapon ng linggo. Yung umaga lang para man laro natin.
For separate fives. Yes, sir. 2 points.
Shot, 2 points by Efren.
Batang-batang.
Oh. Ano bahala dyan?
Ito na lang gamitin mo sa ano.
Ay, may foul. Behind. Foul on number 91.
Kasi nga diba, yung kunin namin pinatake ka
Efren redeem the ball. Umanap ng pasahan. Pass to Glenn. Where is the number 40? Pass to Marlon. Tinanagawan. Again, attempt. But so, foul. Foul on number 2.
Pre.
Alis ka na, pre?
Pre, sundog yung pamilya. Sa susunod, pinakalaman. Pwede yung papanoorin si pare mamaya. Doon sa UMB. Huwag kalaban nyo.
Sabihin, baka magiting na yun.
Sorry. Minases? Wala eh. kagiba.
Hindi ka ba nag-iwan pulutan dyan? Ano iniwan mo dyan?
Yung ano nandyan.
Saan? Ano yun? Ay, kampi.
14 to shoot.
Official score.
3 minutes and 20
Nahati ang mga
seconds.
tao.
Nandun lahat sa baba.
Number 91, pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 7. 3 seconds violation. Time remaining 3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Eh, wala mang ilaw doon.
Grabe si Boss Efren. Walang practice si Boss Efren kaya na ganun.
Number 6, pass to number 33. No good. Driven by number 7.
Injury, injury.
Cambio, cambio.
Idol ko talaga si Marlon.
Pass to number 40. Number 40. No good. Driven by number 33. Number 33, set up play. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 1. 15 seconds to shoot.
Shot
Ay,
by
cambio, vale?
Nag-attempt lang siya si Greg pero hindi
Driven by
pumasok.
number 40. Pass to number 7. Number 7, no good. Driven by number 30. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 12, foul. Basket.
Como podéis ver, hemos montado una exposición donde tenemos electrónicas, tanto de Yamaha, Roland, Alexis y todos los modelos más representativos de cada una de las marcas. Al igual que también hemos incluido distintos cajones, percusión latina para que se puedan tocar un poco todos los palos, ya no solo.
Trabe ka talaga, ang vlogger ka. Pwede trabe ka. Ugo na.
Hype lang.
Number 40,
Mga ganun, para may
gives the
height.
ball. Pass to number 8.
Traveling by number 8.
Time
Traveling.
remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Official score 12-5 in favor of Cabudel. Ang official score po natin nandun sa score sheet. Doon tayo nagbe-base.
Pass to number 30. Pass to
Kaya
number 6.
minsan napipindot lang natin dito sa video.
Back to number 6.
Thank you.
Number 6. No good. Foul number 6.
Power ng Jonard. Ganda yun ah.
Pass to number 8. Time remaining exactly 1 minute. Number 8.
Ikaw mag-edit pag gano'n.
2 points. Last 54 seconds.
Yun, ang ganda ng music na
15
yun ah.
seconds to shoot.
Pang may demo to lang ako sa
40 seconds.
keyboard ka.
Number 30.
Magpasya ng player, keyboard tapos siya
5, 4,
sa itry din niya sa Facebook.
last 30 seconds.
Wag. Saan ka ba nakita sa NBA player na kaganyan na
Last
calendar pick?
25 seconds. Bonus shot by number 40.
Bonus shot by Glenn.
No good. Last 20 seconds. Last 12 seconds.
Magasgas.
Last 12 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 12. Pass number 28. Number 28, half. Pass number 1.
Laro ka naman. Laro ka. Official score.
Official score
16-10.
16-10 in favor of Habudel.
Okay, sulat mo ka dyan.
12 seconds to shoot. Number 40. Pass to number 1. 3, 2, basket. The score 18-12. 12 na yan, 12. Labo, 12 na yan, 12 na yan.
Lock lang puta ko yun.
12-20.
Bigyan mo ng tissue.
12-20.
15 seconds to shoot. Pass to
Tissue,
number
wala
12.
kang tissue.
No good.
Napakasama ng ugali mo talaga.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 45. Pass to number 40. Number 40.
Pwede dyan si Luis dito sa pabalikan ni Fernandez.
Time remaining.
Masabi mo si Coach Manal sa PB Moto Club. Hello.
Ano sabihin ko?
Cambio, cambio.
Ayan, tawagan mo.
Mamaya. Bawalin mo. Ganda ng music. Gusto ko ngayon yan eh.
Nice ba?
Oh, parang sa PBA. Parang nasa ano kami.
Labo!
Official score 14-20. Favor of.
Time remaining.
Dalawa na.
Official score. Fifteen seconds to shoot.
Pinanser yun.
No good. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30. Number 40.
Maganda sa speaker ni Bebo yan. Ganyan yung music.
Still by number 28.
Mas malakas.
Number 28, pass to number 1. Number 1, easy 2 points.
Score 16-20.
Ay, cambio.
Number 8.
Grabe to. Ang lakas ng urtil. Oh. Dito na naman to. Oh.
Uy!
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Time remaining exactly 5 minutes. Number 40. 2 points by number 40.
Glenn for 2. Hey, 22.
15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 40. Number 40 na kamera. Number 40. 2 points. Time remaining 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Debo hay tiempo, ¿vale? Number 91.
Legislados de viaje,
No good.
y seas libre de vivir tu sueño.
No good again. Timeout, Pabude. Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. Official score.
28. 28 na kami ha.
Official score 26-16 in favor of Pabude.
Ganda, baka magasgas.
Pag magas ka yan, ayaw ko na mag-donate.
Kaya nga.
Dapat meron pa lang
Charge. 1 hour lang. I-charge. Isang oras lang. $94 pa rin?
nangyari. Ano nangyari?
Back to the ball game. Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. Number 28, set a play. Foul number 12. 18 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Number 28, attack. Foul. With foul. Number 40. Number 40, third personal foul. 13 foul. First two. No good.
Lahi kayong lasing. Kailangan mo mag-jogging. Kasi ano yun? Kaya yung one game pero yung siyempre madaming laro yun.
9, 8.
Lahi ka na yung nilalasing ni paring Dante ah. Ha? But hapon wala.
Still by number 28. Number 28.
Pwede sa kanal.
Attack. 2 points. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20. Pass to number 40. 12 seconds to shoot. No good. 14 to shoot. Foul. Time remaining exactly 3 minutes. Bonus shots by number 14.
22.
Vale. Bye cambio, vale.
Ay cambio.
Number 18.
Official score.
Number
The score
18.
sheet
Pass to
28-18.
number 1. Number 1 to the right test. No good. Winner by number 9.
Sa portrait mo tira eh.
Inbound by number 40. Pass to number 1. Number 1 set up play. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30.
Nausap na natin siya.
Pass to number 30.
Kainan kayo.
Number 40. No good. Rebound by number 7. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20. Number 28. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 40. Foul. Number 9. Time remaining 1 minute and 59 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7. No good.
Sino bang second game
Foul
natin?
number 45.
Sino second game natin?
Balikan ko.
Oo, sige, sige.
Kay cambio ka rin. Number 1. Time remaining 1 minute and 35. Number 7, pass to number 18. No good, you number 40. Pass to number 1.
Mamaya ako, wala pa yung financier ko eh.
Time remaining 1 minute and 20. Number 7, pass to number 9. Number 9, 2 minutes and 10. No good. Given by number 40. Still by number 7. Pass to number 28.
Shoutout kay Komisyonero. Talagang
Foul. Cambio. Penalty situation. Paso. Time remaining 1 minute and 3 seconds. Official score 28-18 in favor of Kabudel. Penalty.
Maganda sana pag yung volume mo. Wala nang volume man yan. Anong oras na doon? Anong quarter na yan?
Two shots by number 28. No good.
Ay, kaya. Pagyakan.
Basket. Last 55 seconds. Foul number 28. 17 seconds to shoot. 14 to shoot. Illegal screen. Last 49 seconds.
Time remaining?
Last 45 seconds.
45.
Number 8, pass to number 7. Grabbing violation. Last 38 seconds. Last 38 seconds.
De segunda mano.
Number 1.
Somos el
Number 1 setup play. Last 30 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Last 12 seconds. 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
End of second quarter. 30-21.
Official score 30-21.
Kabudo. Yan o.
Pass number 14.
Galang yan.
Number 5. Number 12. Number 8.
Ang na parang dinayat mo si
Hanggang fourth quarter na yan.
dinayat mo si ano.
Dol.
Hanggang fourth quarter na mga yan ha.
Second personal foul, first team foul. Fourteen to shoot. Pass to number 28. 15 to shoot. Foul number 77. No good. Basket. Number 77. Number 77 set up play, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 8, attack. Pass to number. Back to number 8. 2 points.
Wow! That's amazing shot by number 2. Number 8 pala.
Number 28, attack. 2 points by number 28. to number 8. After number 40. Number 40. 14 to shoot. No good. Number 28. Pass to number 12. Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Sige na!
14 to shoot. Basket. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds.
Ayun sa kalbo.
Ay cambio, vale?
Ayun si kalbo. Meron na.
10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 14 to shoot.
Ayun si kalbo ang pagbabalik. Kalbo.
Cambio.
Lourdelis.
10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 6. Number 40. Time remaining 3 minutes and 45.
Oras!
14 to shoot. Out. Out number 7. First row basket.
So, masa...
Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Pre, ano masasabi sa laro nila? Maganda, ha?
Maganda makbakan yan.
Basket
Yun.
again.
Basket
Pakita
again.
lang ng basket.
2 points ba yan? 30.
39 30. Number 8, pass to number 40. 2 points by number 40.
Ang lakas ni Glenn.
Time remaining
position.
2 minutes and 42 seconds.
Wala. Kasi went over the other. Oh, went over the other.
15 seconds to shoot. No good. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8. Number 8. 2 points by number 8.
Time out!
Timeout. Barangay Ortiz. Last 2 minutes. Number 7. Still. Last 2 minutes. Pass number 6.
Ang lakas manggulang. Anak lang puta.
14 seconds to shoot.
Te presto 10.000 euros. Te enseño a invertirlo. Te doy acceso a un canal privado en el que te compartan.
Kulang eh.
2 points by number 28.
Tangkagulang yon. Ayup! Sabay ngiti.
Number 40. Number 40. Foul. Good foul. Number 7. Cambio. Number 7 out. Ng Kabudel.
Nagsasahin kanina.
Number 5 in. Time remaining 1 minute and 31 seconds.
Eso,
Number 7 ng Kabudel out. 14 to shoot. Number 5, attack. No good. Foul number 5 ng Kabudel. Warning for penalty. Time remaining 1 minute and 24. This is score 32-40. Foul. Number 12. Second personal foul. First team foul.
i-arrange ko
Cambio.
mamaya kasi yung ginawa nila Nori ang magkakatabi.
Basket. Time remaining exactly 1 minute. Last 55 seconds. Last 50 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Last 35 seconds.
Baka manood. Kunin mo na to.
Last 30 seconds. Last 25 seconds.
Kunin mo na. Baka gusto ni Nana.
Last 20 seconds. Last 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Buhay ka ba?
4, 3,
Buhay ka pa?
2, 1.
Mamahit ka.
Number 28.
Hawakan mo muna yung ilagay mo muna sa bag mo.
Foul number 5. Number 5, third personal foul. Number 77. Pass to number 40. Number 40 attack. Pass to number 5.
¿Quieres estudiar grado?
Babayaran kaya ito kapatid mo eh. Naawa daw sa'yo eh.
Pero quieres asegurarte el mejor puesto de trabajo. Quieres hacer lo posible para salir mejor preparado que los demás, mejor puesto de trabajo, más dinero, más que...
Number 28. Aim ball. 14 seconds to shoot.
Port na rin yun. Port na rin.
First foul. Foul number 5. Number 5, warning for graduate. 14 to shoot. 10, Number 14, accommodate. Number 14. Number 14, attack. Pass to number 8. 2 points by number 8. Official score 45-41 in favor of Abudel. Time remaining 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Ay cambio, vale? No good? No good? How? Cambio.
Ganda naman kapag music mo yun ha. Ganda mga background music.
Ano tayo? Mag-upgrade
Dapat talaga yung speaker ni Bebo na lakas. Ano? Biling ko na.
Two shots by number.
Lugbilin siya kawarin.
Kano raw?
Nakarating niya mga sabihin.
How?
Sabihin ko na lang.
Third personal foul, 1 min for penalty.
Ikaw hindi? Kung hindi ka mag-wish, dito ka na lang.
First throw no good. Time
Sino
remaining
maiwan?
7 minutes and 25 seconds.
Si Choi, lalaro.
Basket.
Clifford! Pre, lalaro ka?
Laro yan.
Lalaro ka? Laro ka?
Laro ka kahit mga 2 minutes lang. Kahit mga 2 minutes lang. Kahit mga 2 minutes o laro tayo 2 minutes.
Foul number 6.
Third personal foul, no. First. May iwan kayo.
14 to shoot.
Saka si Love.
Pero pasimulan muna natin. Pasimulan natin.
Ha?
Pasimulan
Pero
muna.
saglit lang naman, babalik lang naman.
Pasimulan mo muna dito. Wala natin iwan. Pasimulan muna.
14 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Time remaining 6 minutes and 38 seconds.
Mamamansyan pa yung kanila.
Foul.
Warning for graduation.
Number 6 ng Ortil, warning for graduate.
Ay, cambio,
Time
bale.
remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Sabi tigli mo.
Foul. Foul number 45, penalty. Number 45, warning for graduate. Cambio, cambio. Cambio, cambio. Basket.
Idol 15. Sino yung 10
2 points. Number 8, pass number 77.
Ano mga music?
Number 40, pass number 8.
My idol, number 8. That's my idol today.
Number 77 delaying the ball.
Pinamala yung ano? Folder lang.
Delaying the ball, delaying the ball.
Yung tikitan siya sa'yo. Yung bag na maliit.
Hindi, nilagay ko doon.
Ang sabi ni Alan.
Time remaining 4 minutes and
Titingnan
15
niya kung
seconds.
makatayop daw siya, baka may
Official
biyahe.
score 45-49 in favor of Abudel.
Pero pupunta yun to?
Pass to number 12.
Tinext daw siya ni Mike sa ano? Para sa
15
May
seconds to
17,
shoot. 2 points. Number 77. Two points.
Babayad nga.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Reserve ba?
Reserve sub.
Ano, wala pa.
Hay tiempo, vale. Time out, Kabuda.
Three minutes pa. 3 minutes. 357. Ah, 357, idol. 357. Talagang maglalaro.
Sabi ko laro ka 1 minute lang.
Sino ako? Ando, sige, sige. Maglaro na lang ako pag sa Tamaraw. Ha? Hindi sa Tamaraw yun.
Back to the ball game.
Elimination pa lang naman. Hindi sa Tamaraw kasi gusto ko ito sila kalaban eh.
¿Quieres comprar un coche de segunda mano? En coches.net somos el portal líder en vehículos.
Number 14. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass number 5. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Talo pa ang Ortig eh.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 30. Traveling violation.
Traveling, kita.
Number 40 set a play. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 40. 15 to shoot.
Kahit mga 2 minutes.
10 seconds to shoot.
Para sa may picture daw, picture.
8, 7, 6, 5. Basket. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Official score 49-55 in favor of Kabuda. Number 28. Basket. Time remaining 2 minutes and 38 seconds.
Ilan? 2 minutes.
2 minutes and 35 seconds. Foul number 12.
Third personal foul, warning for penalty.
Number 12. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Penalty. Foul number 28. Penalty.
Ay, uniforme mo. Putang na. Parang ayaw mo ata.
Basket.
Sa'yo na.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 26 seconds.
Ayaw mo ata. Sa'yo na.
Basket again.
Parang nakita ko siya. Ano yun? Pero ayaw mo naman.
Number 28, still by number 40. Pass to number 5. 2 points. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Number 45. Number 45. Graduate. Time remaining 1 minute and 57 seconds. Good. 14 to shoot. Basket.
Hoy! Hoy! Baba ka!
1 minute and 45. 14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Last 1 minute and 30. Foul. Number 1. ¿Quién falta, Bebo? 40. Foul number 40. Penalty, los dos. 1 minute and 26. Basket.
Paligan na kayo dito. Kaya naman. Siyempre, pag di automatic yung magkakakampi tayo.
Basket.
Una lang.
Foul. Number 28.
Time left.
Penalty. 1 minute and 1 minute and 21 seconds.
Crucial.
Sit.
14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Basket.
Ganda ng setup dun ah.
Time remaining 1 minute and 4 seconds. Last 1 minute.
Hindi naman kayo ko.
Time out. Ikaw kasi yung gumawa ng bola. Hindi lang, tapos
Vertical yun ha. Vertical yun. Lab, tingnan mo. Ilang minuto pa? Seconds na lang. Tayo na? Oo. Wala pa naman kalaban. Vamos, Teo. Sige.
Bola natin.
Bakit? Ha? Oh, dito ko pa.
Foul.
Dito. Oh, sige. Nasa ka ba ka?
Last 55 seconds. Number 12. Last 50 seconds. Foul. Number 77, warning for graduate. Last 44 seconds. Number 77 ang Kabuden, warning for graduate. Time remaining, last 44 seconds. Foul. Number 12.
Duty foul lang.
41. Penalty. Both teams penalty.
Mamaya ka na mag-time out. Mamaya. Naka-possession sila.
No good. Basket. Last 41 seconds.
59-63.
Foul number 12. Penalty.
Number 12, warning.
Number 12, warning for red weight. First throw no good. Last 35 seconds. Last 30. Foul number 33. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds.
Dapat honest defense na lang sila. Shoot na.
Vamos, Sherwin! Walang foul na, walang foul, walang foul. Vamos, Sherwin!
No good. Last 30 seconds. 30. 30. Last 25 seconds. 25 seconds. 25. Graduate. Last 25 seconds.
25 seconds pa, no?
Pasok. Pasok isa. Apat lang kayo. Pwede yan. Apat. Basket. Time remaining. Last 25 seconds.
Basket. Basket. Sige, shoot mo, pre! Calling nyo, ah. Calling nyo agad.
Last 23 seconds. Score 63-60 in favor of Abudel. Time remaining. Last 23 seconds. 23 seconds.
Idol, pag mag-ibig ka, ano mga
Bye.
Pag pumasok tayo,
No good.
ilang points na si Glenn?
Last 20 seconds. Basket. Last 15 seconds. Graduate number 12.
Kantin na ako, pre. 29 na, Idol.
Score 62-63. Time remaining. Last 14 seconds. Last 14 seconds. No good. Last throw.
Sana lang.
Score 64-62. 2-point lead by Kabudel. Time remaining. Last 14 seconds. 14 seconds.
Basta pag sumabay ka rin ako,
problema ni Glenn.
Walang kulay yan, oh. Mag-overtime ba?
Overtime yan.
Wala na yan.
Last 14 seconds. Last 14 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6,
6 seconds.
6 seconds, 6, 4, 3, 2,